So we are at around Alao area in Akala way at Akobo. This land that you are seeing is measuring about 420 square meters. It's in a very decent environment where there are houses around it. You can see the house adjacent, and you can see this almost completed house beside it, directly beside it, sharing fence with it. So this is the pillar, the front pillar, and the land goes straight down. I'm going to show you the pillar at the back where it's where the other pillar terminates. Okay, so this is the pillar at the back. So now this pillar goes straight to that fence, that half fence you can see, and then that is the length, and you can see that the front is very, very wide. So this land is good for any kind of construction, maybe a 4-flat duplex, semi-detached, twin duplex, and any building that you want to place on it. It's a completely dry land. The environment is decent, it's quiet. This is the house beside it. It's almost completed. So this land is going for 6.5 million. We are giving it out at a giveaway price. So if you're interested, contact Ruston Realtors Limited. God bless you.